In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in UPDF. Now first, you want to open your document, you want to go to the top left and click on Tools, and then you want to go to the Comment tab. In here up top, there's a bunch of different buttons. You want to click on this one, which is the Signature button, and you can then add your signature over here by clicking on Local Signature and then Create at the bottom. Now here you have three options. You could use your mouse to basically write your signature. So for example, if I do like this, instant and then how to, okay, it's gonna be a bit ugly, but still you get the point. You can do it as precisely as you want. And down here you can adjust the thickness as well as your color of your pen over here. And then that's the first way. You could go to keyboard and you can just type in your name, for example, like this. That's also going to work. Again, you can change your color over here if you wanna. And then you also have the image option, so you can basically take a picture of like a piece of paper where there's your signature on there. You can upload it in here and you can use that as a signature. So up to you. I'm gonna use the mouse again. I'm just going to type it in again really quickly. So let's do instant, how, and then to, okay, like this. There we go. I can click on create. And as you can see, I now have my signature over here. I could either click or I could go and of course just basically drag and draw as big as I want like this, and I now have the signature in here. So if you want to add multiple, you can click on signature, click on your signature over here, and then just basically click wherever you want to add it. You could also go and resize it very easily like that. You could click on it and flip it. You could change the opacity, you could copy it, give a note, etc. So that's how to add signatures. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.